Search for why Copilot in Excel is not working, and within 2 clicks you will be told your data has to be an Excel table and AutoSave has to be on. I checked both against Microsoft's own support pages today. One of them is not stated anywhere anymore. The other one Microsoft now contradicts in writing, and the 4 rules that will actually stop you are further down the page. Start with the table rule. It used to have its own Microsoft support article, and it read like a gate. Your range will need to meet all of the following requirements. That article is no longer in Microsoft's index of Copilot in Excel articles. There are 14 articles listed now, and it is not one of them. Its old address serves a different page. Be careful what that proves, though. An absence is not an announcement. Microsoft has not said the requirement was dropped. It has stopped stating it. The nearest thing that survives is on the clean data page, and the verb is the whole story. Works best with data that is formatted as an Excel table. Works best with is advice. The old wording was a gate. AutoSave is more clear-cut because Microsoft takes it head-on. Under a heading called Manage AutoSave for your Copilot in Excel workbooks. Copilot in Excel runs in workbooks with AutoSave enabled or disabled. That is a sentence written to correct the old advice, and the one after it turns the rule inside out. To experiment with Copilot in Excel, changes without automatically saving those changes to a workbook, disable AutoSave. So AutoSave off is not a fault to fix. It is how you try a Copilot edit on a real workbook without committing to it. Now the 4 that still stop it. The first one is in Microsoft's own FAQ in a list nobody scrolls to. Copilot editing is only supported when calculation options are set to automatic. Think about who that hits. Big models get switched to manual on purpose because somebody got tired of waiting every time they typed a number, and nobody switches it back. So the workbook where Copilot is least likely to work is the large one, the one you most wanted help with. 2 and 3 are about the state of the file, not the data inside it. Same FAQ under the message unsupported file state. One cause is an unsupported file format, such as strict open XML spreadsheet. Save it as an ordinary Excel workbook. The other is checkout. If your organization requires checkout for editing in SharePoint, Copilot in Excel on Windows or Mac will not work for files from that site. Excel for the web still will. That second one is not a product limit at all. It is your own governance configuration deciding where Copilot runs. Number 4 is a size ceiling, and it belongs to one feature, so I will be precise about it. Clean data works best with tabular data of up to 100 columns and 50,000 rows. That is clean data. It is not a documented ceiling for Copilot in Excel in general, and if you hear it quoted as 1, that is the same mistake that got us here. One more line from that FAQ, and it is the one I would put in front of a finance team. Avoid using Copilot for decisions in sensitive areas, such as finance, legal, or medical topics. That is Microsoft's sentence, not mine, and it draws the boundary around everything else here. The rest of this is about whether Copilot will do the work. That line is about whether the work is yours to hand over. Copilot prepares the analysis. A person signs it. Every limit here was read off Microsoft's live support pages on the 8th of August. Those pages carry no version history, and one of them changed under me while I was checking it, so check the date before you quote me either. Link below.